Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm in Cologne-Bonn airport. There is an Berlin or something. I don't really know. Yeah, today is a special guest with me. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Today we are at Cologne-Bonn airport, as I said. Yeah. Hope I can see a airplane approaching or something. But I can't see anything for now. Not
Die haben doch
not even a small plane. I don't really know where the runway is. That's the problem. Okay, well, I will see you guys in a few seconds. Okay, for you it's a second, but for me it's way longer. Yeah, so see ya in a moment. Guys, a plane just departed the airport with just a beautiful sound. So yeah, I decided to run up. Oh yeah, guys, I love this airport now.
Schau viel. Was ist das? Nein, Leute, schau.
Okay, guys, the airport. Yeah, the airport. I meant the airplane is flying away. But wait, there he is. Okay. Okay, guys, I will see you in the next few moments when I will be in the whole airport. Yeah, so see you in a few moments. Yo guys, I just found this Boeing 737 -7, and then I noticed there are some jets from the German army, and then I saw the McDonnell Douglas DC-3. Okay, I'll see you in a bit when I found some more planes. Rico, Flugzeug landet! Da! Oh, schade, dass es so weit weg ist.
Zoom ran.
Hab ich schon. Komm.
Leute, ist zu weit weg.
Egal.
Scheiß drauf. Sind wieder auch andere Flugzeuge?
Guys, the planes with the three engines. Those are the old McDonnell Douglas MD-11. There is probably a Turkish Airlines machine.
Komm.
Yes, it is.
Komm.
Okay, wait. I'll see you in a bit when I found some more planes. Ryanair, a Boeing 737 -8 is making a takeoff, as you can see there. Enrico. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I know there's a plane landing, but I will tell you which airline this is in a bit. Guys, this airplane in front of us, the A320, starting his engines. Okay, at least one engine. But there on the left, there's one Norwegian Boeing 737, and then two Ryanair 737 minus, I think, 800, but it could be one of them, even 700, and there is one plane taking off. Okay, guys, there's a plane taking off. I really love watching a plane taking off. This one. Dude, how loud is this?
Just do it.
I swear, it's so loud. I have earache now. Oh, da ist noch ein Flugzeug gelandet, ne? Hey guys, the Norwegian machine. It's so cool to see this.
Da.
I know.
Ach, guck mal, da gleich wird die Tür aufgemacht.
Nein,
Natürlich.
nein,
Das sieht
leider
das
nicht. Guys, the Norwegian plane. He will be taking off in a few minutes. Hey guys, I will come back in a few minutes when I will see another plane taking off or landing. And Eurowings machine took off. Okay, guys. This plane is more interesting for me because it's taxing to. Oh wait, well no. Yeah. Yes. What is? Oh yeah. Well, we will go in a few moments. They're up. For now, I want to stay here. Okay, guys. Plane taking off. Planes taxing. So many planes here. Taxing. A few German wings machines. A few Berlin's machine. There's the German Air Force One, or just German Air Force. Rainer. There is the fish. I forgot how to say it. It's guys. Immer noch am Gate.
Was?
Immer noch am Gate.
Achso, die da hinten, DHL?
Nicht nur der da hinten, sondern die zweite.
Achso, da hinten.
Einmal die zweite von Fed.
richtig.
Einmal FedEx, einmal UPS. Okay, guys. Guys.
Ist der keine
Dunkel! Hey guys. Now I know it. It's runway 14 right, and there is 14 left, and the Norwegian Boeing 737 minus 800 has successful took off. Enrico. Guck wie laut er ist. Oh. Okay, German wings. Airbus F319 will taxi to runway. I think it was here is only 14 right, and then I think he may taxi to runway 14 right, or or he will taxi to the runway 36 right, left. Guys, when I will see that one of the two MD-11s will be taking off, I will see you. Then I will record it. Photos.
This is nice.
I know, right? These look so. Was F380?
Train.
Yeah, many trains, and then plane landing on the water. Okay, I'm going now to McDonald's, and I will see you in a few moments.